Welcome to the top best. The best string trimmer accessories is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked categories for anyone looking to maximize the efficiency and longevity of their outdoor power equipment, transforming a simple tool into a versatile powerhouse capable of tackling a wider range of yard work with greater precision and ease, ensuring your lawn care routine is not just effective but also remarkably convenient. Number 5. Ryobi 1 Plus AC80 RL 3.080-inch Twisted Line and Spool Replacement, 3-pack. Experience enhanced durability with our innovative Twisted Line. It's designed to tackle tough grass and weeds with ease, making your yard work simpler. No need to worry about fit. This line is designed to work seamlessly with all Ryobi cordless auto-feed string trimmers, ensuring compatibility with your existing tools. Slice through grass, light brush, and weeds effortlessly. It makes your gardening and landscape cleanup tasks a breeze, leaving your yard looking pristine. Changing your trimmer line is quick and simple. You can easily remove and replace old cartridges from your auto-feed string trimmer head, saving you valuable time and effort. This convenient 3-pack provides you with plenty of replacement line. You'll have enough to keep your trimmer running for all your trimming needs throughout the season. What we like. This spool replacement features a durable twisted line that easily tackles tough grass and weeds. It offers universal compatibility with Ryobi cordless trimmers and comes in a convenient 3-pack. If you have a Ryobi cordless trimmer and are looking for a reliable and long-lasting line solution, this is a great choice. What people say. Fits perfectly with my Ryobi 18V model and installs easily without any hassle. The .080-inch twisted line is durable and cuts through grass and weeds efficiently, giving a clean trim every time. Having 3 spools means I don't have to worry about running out during the season. Number 4. Ryobi 1 Plus Replacement Spool Cap. Ensure your Ryobi trimmer keeps performing at its best with this genuine OEM replacement spool cap. It's designed specifically for your tool. This cap is compatible with Ryobi 1 Plus 18V, 24V, and 40V cordless string trimmers. Get a perfect fit for seamless operation. Replacing your old spool cap is a breeze. Its easy-to-use press-release clamps allow for quick and simple installation. Crafted from sturdy plastic, this part is built to last. It will help maintain your trimmer's performance, keeping it like new. Designed for counterclockwise trimmer rotation, this cap ensures optimal performance. Keep your trimmer running smoothly and efficiently. What we like. This genuine OEM spool cap is designed for easy replacement with press-release clamps. It's made from sturdy plastic to keep your trimmer running like new and is optimized for counterclockwise rotation. If you're looking for a simple, direct replacement for your Ryobi spool cap that ensures optimal performance, this is the one. What people say. With due respect, the Orig lasted me 10 years plus on my Ryobi 40001A old school 40V whacker. Wanted post model in case other folks were wondering or if had same model. Juxtaposed against the worn Orig, you see how this new improved version cap has additional webbing casting reinforcements. This cap fit perfect and felt more sturdy than the original. Replacing the cap helps the spool disruption better. Exact fit, stays on tightly for my Ryobi weed whacker. Seems to be bearable and still works till this day. Number 3. SUNSEEKER 16 Hedge Trimmer Attachment. Effortlessly trim hedges of any size with its 16-inch dual-action blade. It boasts a powerful 3/4-inch cutting capacity, making light work of even the toughest branches. Reach awkward spots and shape hedges with ease. Its 12-position articulating head lets you adjust the blade angle for perfect trimming every time. Say goodbye to ladders and back strain. The extended 53-inch shaft allows you to reach higher and farther, making your trimming tasks more comfortable. Crafted with high-grade steel, this attachment is built to last. Enjoy years of reliable performance with blades that maintain their sharpness and durability. This attachment is designed for gas-powered tools only, ensuring optimal performance and preventing damage. Please note it is not compatible with battery-powered tools. Connecting it to your existing tool is simple. Its universal design ensures a secure and easy fit, so you can start trimming in no time. What we like. This Hedge trimmer attachment boasts a 16-inch dual-action blade with a 12-position articulating head for versatile trimming. It's built to last with heavy-duty steel material. If you have a gas-powered string trimmer and need to tackle hedges of various shapes and hard-to-reach areas, this attachment is ideal. What people say. One fit perfectly on my Husqvarna gas trimmer with no modification. The cutting head is equipped with grease zerks. While the unit has grease in it, I'll recommend adding some. It has already saved my money, my back, my time and my energy. Number 2. Greenworks 0.065 Dual-Line Trimmer Spool. Keep your yard looking its best with our high-quality replacement trimmer line. Designed for efficiency, it makes trimming tasks a breeze. These spools are engineered for a perfect fit with compatible Greenworks string trimmer models. Enjoy seamless operation and reliable performance. Experience the power of dual-line cutting. This design ensures a cleaner cut and faster trimming, saving you time and effort. Get more done with this convenient 3-pack. You'll have plenty of line on hand for multiple uses, ensuring you're always ready to trim. This is a reliable aftermarket part, offering excellent performance and durability. It's a great alternative for maintaining your trimmer. What we like. This is a 3-count pack of 0.065-inch dual-line replacement spools. It's compatible with specific Greenworks dual-line string trimmers. If you own a compatible Greenworks trimmer and need a cost-effective, multi-pack solution for your dual-line trimming needs, this aftermarket option is worth considering. What people say. The trimmer head is made of high-quality aluminum alloy, which is durable and rust-resistant. It is easy to install and replace the trimmer line, saving you time and effort. The trimmer head is compatible with most string trimmers, making it a versatile accessory. Number 1. MaxPower PivoTrim 331-7233 Universal Replacement Head. Introducing the MaxPower PivoTrim, a universal replacement head designed for your trimmer. It's built to fit most trimmer models, offering a versatile solution for your yard work needs. This head is engineered to accept both .080 and .095 diameter trimmer lines. This flexibility ensures compatibility with a wide range of line types, making it a practical choice. Experience a cleaner cut with its innovative design. It features 6 pivoting lines that work together to significantly reduce line breakage, saving you time and frustration. Get back to trimming in no time. This replacement head is designed for quick and easy use, allowing for a hassle-free setup process. It comes complete with premium pre-cut trimmer line. You'll have everything you need to get started right out of the box. Crafted with a durable metal material type, this head is built to last. Its robust construction ensures it can handle tough trimming jobs. What we like. This universal replacement head features a metal construction and cuts with 6 pivoting lines to prevent breakage. It accepts multiple line sizes and fits most trimmer models. If you're looking for a durable, versatile trimmer head that can handle various line sizes and reduce line breakage, this premium option is a solid choice. What people say. The rapid push-through idea is genius. It works great. I just finished installing it and used it for the first time. It comes with a variety of bolts and adapters are included to fit most trimmer brands. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.